Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So आज की वीडियो में मैंने मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल किया है. It is kind of summary makeup look. Not sure if it's summary, but yeah, I have used some nice product here. Give my mini reviews on it. So if you want to see how I have achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching till the end, guys. You guys are zoomed in. So let's start with our eye makeup. So for eyebrows, I am taking this Swiss Beauty, what is it, brow powder. So I am gonna fill in my brows. So yeah, I am gonna take this shade and mix of this to fill my brows. So taking a brush and filling them in. So guys, I think it's a good product to invest in because it is not so pricey but does the job nicely. So yeah, as you can see, it is a nice product to invest in. So guys, brows are kind of done. Now I am taking this fluffy blending brush and this 20 something ka eyeshadow palette. It has some beautiful shades out there, as you can see. I am taking this shade and a mix of this shade as my transition shade. So let's take these two, tap off the excess, see the fallout. That's why I always say tap off the excess product on it. Now I'm gonna apply all over my crease. Pigmentation and payoff is quite good but has a lot of fallout, as I said, so you need to be careful while working with these eyeshadows. वैसे तो I liked it, quite impressive. So just applying these two shades are enough. Now taking angle brush like this and taking this black color and applying it as an eyeliner. Just tap off and apply it. See it is very pigmented. See, it's looking kind of beautiful, as you can see. Repeating the same on the other eye. Now taking this brush and gonna smudge this shade. Now so guys, now it looks quite good. I'm liking it. So yeah, we have done with our eyeshadows. Going to take same these it on my lower line. So I'm gonna take it and just smudge it on your lower line. So guys, it is looking beautiful. Now I am taking mascara. So for mascara, it is the Maybelline's Hyper Curl mascara. So I'm gonna take it and coat my lashes nicely with it. So I am done with this eye. Let's do it this one. Lighting is going so on and off. Actually, because it is sunlight. So clouds come and go, and then light keeps on fluctuating. So coating the lashes nicely. So done with the mascara. Now gonna take kajal. So I am taking this Lakme's iconic kajal. It is the iconic kajal that we all girls have used. So I am gonna apply it on my lower lash line. My eyes gets little watery while applying kajal because my eyes are sensitive. Sorry, that's the phone notification. I forgot to keep it on silent. So yeah, we are done with kajal on both eye, and I don't know why this look is looking so nice to me. Tell me guys if you like the look. So yeah, we are done with the eye. Let's zoom you out. So guys, as you can see, we are done with the eye makeup. Let's complete the rest of the face. So for now face, let's go with blush. So for blush, I am taking this Wet n Wild color icon blush in the shade pearlescent pink. So let's apply it on our cheeks. Taking a blush brush for it, and then swirl back off the excess, and then smile and apply. I like this blush because it makes your face look dewy and glowy, and yeah, the shade is also very pretty. Yeah, so I kind of like the blush, to be very honest. It's my favorite shade in the whole Wet n Wild color icon range. Like to apply it on my nose to give that what do we say, soft look to my face. So yeah, it's all done. Now next is highlighter. We're going to apply highlighter. This is also Wet n Wild's Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. Very famous shade, and quite impressed by the highlighter. I've used it many times and I love this highlighter. So applying this highlighter on the highest points of my face. So yeah, look how glowy it is. I like to go over with highlighter because you know we all girls like glitters, shining, glowing, applying it to the usual points, Cupid's bow, nose tip, chin, and then brow bone. So we are going to be applying the same on our inner corners, taking a bit on my fingers. I think finger is the best to apply it on your inner corners because it gets applied nicely. Otherwise, with brush, I have hurt my eyes 2 to 3 times. That's why I don't prefer brush. So yeah, it's all done. Now let's go ahead and apply lipstick. So for lipstick, I am going with Bella Vostey's Ultimate Liquid Lipstick, shade number 03 Naked. So let's apply it. Bear with the tractor noise because there is construction going on in the neighbor's house, so can't do anything with it. Bear it with it, you guys. So yeah, applied the lipstick. It is looking quite nice. Let me give you a hand swatch. It is kind of brown tone nude. So yeah, this is the shade. I liked it, and yeah, as liquid lipstick, it is quite drying on your lips. So that's putting out there. So yeah, we are done with our makeup look. Then let's put on some accessories and then meet you guys. So guys, we are done with this makeup look. Hope you liked it. I quite liked it personally, but comment down, do you liked it or not liked it, what future videos you guys would like to see. I am planning on making a lot of fun content, so don't miss out guys. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon, and yeah, share the video, like the video, comment down below and tell me guys what kind of videos you would like to see in future. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Bye, take care.